Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by pairing systems fast. You need Bluetooth or AirPlay-capable software on your laptop. Install a Bridge app if native support is missing. On the iPhone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth or AirPlay. On the laptop, open Bluetooth or the app and make it discoverable. Once done, accept the pairing request on both devices and grant microphone and network permissions if asked. This step creates the audio path. Without it, your phone cannot act as a speaker or sync for laptop sound. Now route audio from the laptop to the iPhone. On Windows, open Sound Settings and pick the paired device as output. On Mac OS, choose AirPlay or the iPhone in Sound Preferences. If using a bridging app, select the iPhone inside the app and start streaming. Make sure you adjust the iPhone volume and laptop output level separately because each controls a different amplifier stage. Also, choose low latency or high quality mode, depending on whether sync or fidelity matters more to you. Finish by testing playback for sync and clarity. Play a short track and watch for delay. If sound is out of sync, switch to low latency mode, reduce wireless interference, or move the devices closer. Make sure background apps aren't hogging CPU on the laptop, because that causes dropouts. If nothing works, restart Bluetooth on both devices, unpair and repair, or use USB tethering or a wired audio interface as a reliable fallback. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggling airplane mode briefly can reset stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.